Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm going to give you my top 3 online money making opportunities. Now this video actually came to be because someone actually commented about a week ago on one of my videos and they asked me what was my top 3 money making opportunities. So I'm like, I'm gonna make this a video, right, and hook people up. All right, so now each one of these methods are completely newbie friendly and they all can make you a lot of money if you work them and put that effort in. All right, so starting off with the first one, keep in mind this is in no particular order. I'm just kind of just giving them to you, whatever, no special ranking. But starting off, number 1 is Infinity Processing System. Now this is an online training platform that teaches people how to make money with affiliate marketing using their social media platforms. All right, sites like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube are just a few of the places where they show you how to start generating commissions using your own social media. Now the cool thing is Infinity Processing System allows you to earn $50 commissions, $150 commissions, and even $300 instant commissions. Now your commissions are based on what level you decide to join the program. So if you come in at the $50 level, that will allow you to earn unlimited $50 commissions. If you come in at the $150 level, or if you come in at the $300 level, so on and so on, that's what level of commissions you can earn. Now somebody asked me before, what if I come in at the $300 level? I just come straight in, will I only be able to earn $300 commissions? And the answer is no. If you come in at the highest level, which is $300, you are able to earn $50 commissions, $150 or the $300, depending on whatever person that joins you, whatever level they come in at, you're going to get that instant commission sent directly to you. All right, so Infinity Processing System is definitely a great money making opportunity. I've been with it for a while and I absolutely love it. All right, the next money making opportunity that I'm loving right now is Virtual Cash Flow System. This system only been out like 3 weeks and it is like dope. All right, and I love it because I made my first commission with Virtual Cash Flow within 24 hours of actually getting the system. All right, so basically this is a marketing platform for affiliate marketers, network marketers, and even if you got your own product, you can actually advertisement within the Virtual Cash Flow System platform. All right, so once you join, the cool thing about it is it's only $10, a one-time payment of $10 to get started with Virtual Cash Flow System. Now once you pay your $10, you will then have access to your back office, and this is where you can promote several of your offers that you're going on, whether affiliate products, your own products. If you're trying to build a list, which is highly recommended, this is where you actually can start promoting, because your $10 actually buys you ad credits, right? And this is a great way to start earning instant commissions for you and earning commissions for the other products that you're promoting, right? So, I tell people all the time, like, if you see this opportunity and you're into affiliate marketing or network marketing, like, Virtual Cash Flow System is definitely something you should jump on right now. It's brand new. People are making money with it, and it's just, it's super cool. All right. And last but not least, all right, rounding out my top 3 money making opportunities is Instant Recall. All right, now Instant Recall is an app that actually pays you for sharing the app and actually selling your location data. Now you might be thinking, whoa, hell no. No, I'm not being tracked. Nope, the government, nope. No, listen, let's be real now. All right, we all know Facebook tracks your phone, Instagram tracks your phone, Google already tracks your phone. That's how they know where you at all the time. Think about it. Now, the only difference is Instagram ain't paying you for your information, Facebook ain't paying you for your information, and Google is not paying you for your information. Instant Recall actually will pay you to actually sell your location data. Now, the cool thing about instant recall is the earning potential of this opportunity just by sharing a free app, right, is absolutely bananas. All right, and just to let you know right now, if you're watching this video, I plan on going super hard with instant recall. I'm trying to get $5,000-$10,000 a month from this opportunity. And like I said, this probably, when I say about newbie friendly, you can't get any more newbie friendly than instant recall, because it is so easy to promote, right? You just share it with people and let people know the earning potential behind selling their data and let it go, right? That's it. Just push instant recall. You can promote it to basically anybody, your friends, your family, people on your Facebook, create YouTube videos, Instagram, you name it. Just get it out there, and the earning potential, when you see it, it's going to blow your mind, and I'm sure you're going to want to jump on this opportunity without a doubt. All right, so I'm pretty confident that one of these opportunities will resonate with you, and you're going to want to get started with one or all of these opportunities. Now, let me say this up front, right? You to the point where you're like, damn, these do sound dope. I do recommend, just picking one to start with, right? And whichever one you start with, listen, take action. Do not, get IPS or virtual cash flow system or instant recall. Get it and just don't do nothing with it. All of these opportunities can make you serious money online. One of these opportunities can replace a 9-to-5 income. Seriously, right? So take some time, go over these opportunities, and whatever one you want to rock with it. Go hard. All right, so all of the information will be in the description of this video and the first comment of this video, so check them out and start making some money. All right, I will see you in the next video. Peace.